All right guys, we are back with another Acres of Lawn update. The guys are here, they're rolling in their trucks and we're going to get some turf today. By lunchtime they reckon we'll have some turf down. So pretty excited. Hopefully I can get my hands dirty and help out without getting in the way, and also try to keep the dogs out of the way as well. Human and dog own out of the way. We've got Scott here, guys, and he is going to talk us through what the process is throughout the back there. And so what are we starting with, mate?
So the boys have already been through a couple of weeks ago and sprayed everything off,
Yep.
Made sure everything's dead, neutralised all the seed bank. At the moment the boys are going through and just taking out that grassy stuff.
Yep.
They're going to remove it all, put it into bales, dispose of that. Then we'll come through and hoe it up, remove all the excess crap that's there that you don't need.
Yep.
Put gypsum organic through, and then we're going to fill her up with some nice hearty 80-20 compass mix.
Yeah.
You know, it's going to stink a little bit, but that's what you need to have, so basically. Then once that's through, the boys will go through and lay some nice DNA certified Sir Walter Buffalo and water it in, roll it for you, mate, and it's going to look a treat. So.
All right, well, yeah, they're into it now, so we'll go and have a look and see what's the process, I guess. Paychecks on the cover of the Street Machine and my ugly mug. Jimmy from Fatal Finishes ring me. Why didn't you fucking tell me this? I only fucking found out a couple of days ago. He's going to be at Jambo this weekend, so I'm testing Friday and then racing Saturday morning. You know, it's a bit too good for me. Not sure I'll get a chance to do anything. The boys have got it sorted. Good, mate. How are you?
Lovely day for it,
Isn't it? Perfect. And the flies are back though.
Yeah.
All right, so we're doing irrigation now because Brad talked me into it. So as Owen said, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Isn't that right, mate? So boys are going to be fucking filthy with me. That wasn't my call. That's the only thing. Yeah, he wants it. He'd like, I was like, no, I don't want it. He's like, oh, well, you know, and talked me into it. So the boys will probably hate me.
And I'll put a big skate valve.
Yeah.
And you just push open and all the sprinklers come on.
Perfect. That sounds good, yeah.
And if you want to go further from there, we can do an auto system later.
No, that's fine, man. That's plenty.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah. Cool.
And then that's like, you got stacks of, because I see you got, I think, 80 litres, I read in here.
I don't even know, man.
Yeah, 80 litres a minute. So that's stacks of water.
Yeah.
So we'll be good.
Yeah, well, I just haven't had that one long.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
It just blew me away. I saw the size of it and I was like, that thing does 80 litres a minute. Look.
It's still like pressure in the shower and stuff's not like, I mean, it's a long way, but
Yeah. It's probably got a reducer on it.
what, like on the taps and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they do have those fucking little plugs. Yeah, I remember. Remember that in my old place down in Parkside, they put all the reducers in. I'm gonna fucking pull them out. Yeah. Oh, and too, like the old place, I put a bigger pump on that place too, and it pumps out. Like at least you're getting washed. How the is this thing fucking leaking or what's going on here? I don't know. Shouldn't be fucking leaking. Fucking brand new. They're all bugs. Yeah. See, why was that all up in there? I pulled it out here because I didn't want it fucking stinking up the fucking shed. Whatever. Yeah, I just had to move.
I've seen the thirst traps.
Yeah, I had to move everything around. So it's Owen and Boots. You're right, come on in. I was like, I don't really need anything else, you know, like being me and one dog. And yeah, one day I'll build something else. I want to build like a big barnyard shed where the old one is, where the old house is.
Yeah.
I'd like to get a little bit more land that way. Yeah. And push that down to that road down there as well, and then could have like a bit of an event space as well. So weddings and that, because the outlook that way is pretty unreal. They're going to be laying the irrigation and then turf. So I haven't helped yet because these guys are a well-oiled machine and I feel like I just get in their ways. Maybe I can throw some turf around, so maybe we'll do that. But if not, hey, I'm just standing around like a spare dick. Jamie, how you doing, Charlie? Nice to meet you, mate. Yeah.
Shit spot you got here, mate.
I know, right? I said the same thing. I don't want to get in turf here. Give yourself a donut, mate. I can't break a fast with like that sugar. Got to be the process. As much as I want to go in there and have half a dozen donuts. Brad talked me into it, so sorry, lads.
No, you're fine.
So he said, may as well do it. I'm like, all right.
That's right.
Yeah, well, that's it. But standing around like a spare dick. Better do fucking something. Oh, you fucking bastard. No one to fucking do that. Yeah, no, I know. I was a school-based apprentice as a chippy. And first time I was on the barra with concrete, they filled me to the brim. Fucking dropped it straight away. I haven't eaten since Sunday, so I was going to see how long I go for. But I think I'll end up breaking it today. You just got to get past the first 24 hours. Yeah. That's the hardest bit. I've been doing gym at night and then sauna and then should end up burning at both ends. Sure about the jeans anymore. No, thank you, mate.
No dramas?
No, thank you very much. The boys are bloody killing it. Unreal. I'm like, yeah, and I'm like, yeah, exactly. I can't help it. They fucking twist my arm. And but no, like next year they've got some really good recruits as well. So I'll be able to I'll play actual forward instead of ruck. Yeah. So it won't be as fucked, I should say. If that truck had gone any slower coming in the driveway, would have absolutely smashed him. Out of shape. Alright, we're into the fun part now. Lads are starting to lay the turf, looking unbelievable. Going to be too good for this place, I think. But smashing it out, so pumped. Letting them lay it. I'll just bring it over in barras. I don't need to do this. I'll mess it up. It's all happening. I'm gonna check those blokes who did these fucking walls. I did it with Jace and Aldo. Near enough's good enough. Give me something to do in the morning. Come out here and I want to be shitting on it.
At the moment, that's how squelchy you want after your water, and then focus on
the
tram lines. And that's why you can stomp all your joints down.
Yeah. So out the back there? Yeah. So for how long do you reckon keep it on? 20 minutes?
20-25 minutes.
Sweet.
2 to 3 times a day, depending on how dry and hot it is, really, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, it's pretty easy and simple. We've just set
Perfect. That's the go. That's the way we like it. What I do with the clippings, I'll just spread them out here or what? Oh no, that was the same as my staffy. He did the same thing. You need a fucking wash, mate. Look at you, you're a disgrace. Aren't you? No, that's enough. Leave it alone. Smashed it. Turn them on, mate. Haven't even seen them on yet. Fucking hell. Geez, I'm glad you talked me into that. How'd you drop pressure then? Oh, okay.
Now you see that?
Oh, yeah.
There's a little flat head there.
Yeah, I ain't going to be touching shit, to be honest. I'll throw that away so I don't fuck with them. I'll fuck it and you blokes have to come out and fix it. Yeah. Awesome, lads. Fucking absolutely smashed it. Really appreciate it. I didn't get all your names anyway.
Jonah.
Jonah?
Yeah, Daniel, mate.
Daniel?
Yep.
Isaac.
Isaac, nice to meet you guys and fucking appreciate it too.
I'm
So,
Ashley anyway,
Ashley,
so-
yeah, sorry mate. Fucking unreal. I can't believe how quick you did that. I'll be here for fucking 3 days. Awesome. Know where that bloke will probably end up spending half his time. He'll be laying on it. Yeah. While it's fucking wet too, I bet. Because I'd come out here some days, it'd be raining and he's just sitting and like looking at the rain, but then like looking at me and I'm like, you motherfucker, you can't like get out. He just, yeah, like water and anything he loves. That's why I stopped taking him to the beach and walks and puddles and stuff. He just, as a puppy, when I was living in town, he'd just go swimming in like puddles and shit. You turn your back for 1 minute, come back black. He just loves it. He's a fucking animal. He'll be laying on that as soon as I turn those sprinklers off, I reckon. Now it gets hotter. Yeah, I know, 100% he will, yeah. That's what I said. He'll probably shit straight away on that. Shit and piss on that. Oh, mate, I'll drain that tank before I kill him. I'll just leave it on.
We're staying in hotels because you've got no water left.
Yeah, exactly.
The lawn's alive.
Yeah, 100%. Very good. Try and keep it alive. Yeah.
I'll get you a catch cup so you can actually start measuring the amount of
Oh,
water.
okay, yeah.
Gives you a real figure.
So you would just put a
adjust it.
cup out there and then
Yeah,
see what it...
it's got a calibrated entrance point, so
Yep.
it tells you exactly how much water it catches.
Yeah,
you can
okay.
use it as a rain gauge too, which is
Yep.
handy out here. You stick it out in the lawn and go, oh yeah, I had 7 mil of rain, I only need to water.
No, awesome. Well,
Thanks, Charlie.
thank you very
Pleasure,
much,
man.
mate. Really
Enjoy.
appreciate it.
No, thanks very
Boys did an absolute amazing job. I couldn't believe how many came in and just started pulling everything apart. So pumped. Looks unreal. It's going to be nice to be able to just walk around there and pick up Owen's crap, I bet. I bet you that's where he'll go.
There is a robotic mower.
Yeah, I have seen him. I've got the robotic bloody vacuum and mop in there. Can't help himself. You better not. Last time I put some lawn down at my other place, I found him underneath it. Come home one day and he was underneath it eating the roots. That's why I thought he was like a bit special. Thank you, mate. You boys fucking smashed it. It was unreal. You guys know everyone's got a job. Everyone does their thing. It looked unreal. The way you guys did it and everything. So appreciate it, mate. Yeah, absolutely. I'll try not to kill it.
Thanks, Scotty.
Thank you, mate. Appreciate
Thanks,
it.
Alan.
It was awesome.